Okay. Mm. Yo, what's
Hey,
up, bro?
price got price got smacked from VWAP.
Oh no, did it really? This thing just stopped me out.
You went long.
Nah, I went short. You know me.
Oh,
I ain't afraid of no shorts.
it's like, what do you trust?
Yeah, I think yeah, that's a good question right there. Star is 73.40. It's probably like 85.50. Okay. So I mean, honestly, we actually might get a move back up here to I'm gonna look to short the bottom of this range. If we get it. That's what I'm gonna look to short, the bottom of this range. Probably 40. I think that's what we get today. I mean, unless they're trying to, I mean, drop it. No, I mean, I don't think this is a situation where they drop it and try to retest the top of that range. Yeah, I think we might just actually probably get like a move up, and then we'll probably see a rejection at 40. That's just my for right now. My thesis for right now. Because this thing is way too bearish. Well, never mind. We're in a bull market, so that don't make sense. We're in a bull market. So drops will get bought right back up.
Yeah, like I wanted to take the long.
Mm-hmm.
Um, from the- uh, get your headphones. I gotta find them. Um, yeah, I was gonna hop in before open to catch the long.
Mm-hmm.
That could have netted me like, man, that could have been like 40 points, something like that, somewhere. But then I was like, let me wait.
Yo, if this thing drops after it stopped me out, I mean, should I be surprised? Should I be surprised if it does exactly that? Yeah, so I don't like this chopping. That just tells me that yeah, the market is going up, but the bulls are definitely having a hard time. That's not a strong move. Uh, I'm gonna see what they do here at the golden zone. But then at the same time, you know what, man? Mm, I mean, I guess. Mm,
Ah, shoot. Right there. It's already like 40 points, though.
I mean, if it's not going to go down, yeah, this is tricky. I mean, they're finding support above the 23%. I mean, well, actually, technically, they did find support at the 23%. So, but we know how this story goes. It rotates to the 23% to the golden zone. So we'll see if we get a drop, but I'm definitely going to be looking to short a 50 for a retest of that breaker structure. I'm definitely going to try it. Yeah, I think that's probably like the best area to go short on the Nasdaq. I'm definitely shorting about like 94, 96 on the ES for sure. Actually, let me just set that up right now. Put that on the ES real quick. I think what I'm gonna start doing with the ES is, I think I'm just gonna just start setting and forgetting these things, man, and just trade the sim and the Nasdaq because ES is boring, and I don't have to deal with that.
So what I'm gonna do, hmm, just gonna go for 50 points on the day,
Mm-hmm.
kind of like how I used to. Not gonna try to sit here and try to get all these points because it's really not necessary.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yeah, if it happens that way, sure, but trying to do that every day is a setup for failure.
Mm. So you're
So
just
I
trying to go
just
for
caught,
50 points a day?
yeah. If I get it all at once, cool. If not,
Mm-hmm.
break it up into sections.
Good morning,
So if I
everybody.
can do that, that's just, you know, the minis. That's 10 points per trade,
Mm-hmm.
one contract. 10 points a trade, and you in there.
Alfred says buy high and sell higher kind of day. Uh, you might get a drop, bro. Hopefully it gets to the area where I think it's trying to get to before we get a drop. Looks like they're trying to come in at, dude, we'll see, man. Because I don't like how this thing just struggled its way up, but at the same time, we are in a or a bull market, so I don't think they're gonna make it that easy for the bears. I don't think they will.
JC took it short from 22.
Yep.
Yeah, that was a good spot.
Mm-hmm. 20 points a day, huh? $1,000 a day. Keeps the
All you
job
need.
away, the 9 to 5 away.
That's all you need.
But how can I be a degenerate if I only strive for $1,000? How can I be a degenerate then? Are you saying that I should be a I can't even say the word. A professional trader or what? What?
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Hourly candle looks kind of strong.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, JC. I mean, it's crazy when you break the math down like that. It's like, yeah, but yeah, you're absolutely right about that. Yep. He said median salary for black men is about 44K. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately. Dude, this thing better not drop. Oh, no, 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 no. I mean, at this point, we should know. Bears should know. We know that if this was a setup to short, it would have dropped already. I'm not saying that it couldn't short, that is not going to, but we know what a short looks like. It's not ready yet, unfortunately. The shorts aren't ready yet. I think at this point, I think they want to kind of. I mean, we technically low key do got like a little trend line going up like that. Well, you know, same.
Well, they not taking it up higher right now. I mean, the candle looks strong. Hourly.
Mm-hmm.
I want my 10 points. Yeah, I might.
Yeah. I mean, it's still a bullish hourly candle for sure. For sure. Actually, baby, I was looking for that 23% hit. We'll see. So right now, I'm just gonna take a trade long because we're at the 23%.
I'm taking it.
Well, I mean, let's see. I mean, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. No, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna at least try to get to the golden zone. They're gonna at least try to get to the golden zone at least. I mean, if they do bounce it here, if we see a break below this, I'm going short.
It's just okay. Let me get this off because that's not even
All
popular.
right, so I went long because of the golden zone, because of the trend line. We'll see what happens. I think my stop is in a good spot. Because I think that's all we're gonna probably get is probably 50. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If we get a break of this trend line and then they come back and test it, then I'm definitely going short. But again, I'm in the sim. I took a long because we're at the 23%. It's looking like they're trying to find support above it. So that's why I took it.
Fully broke this 50. I think they're trying to. I think it's trying to set up for a short, but I don't. But you're right. I mean, it is trending. It, yeah, you know.
Yeah, I think this is trying to trap bears, man. It's kind of hard to say when the market is moving slow. You got a volatile instrument like the Nasdaq. Yeah, it's always hard. I mean, it does look like it wants a short. Like I'm looking at a higher time frame chart, and it's like, man, this looks like a short. I don't know if this is trying to trap some bears. Just like, yeah, that looks like a short. Let's short this. And then it's slowing the price action down to make it think. I mean, yeah, I mean, dude, it looks like a short, and then it looks like they're trying to sell it off this trend channel right here. You see how they're trying to sell it off of it? Oh, we'll see, man. And they're trying to sell this damn thing. Oh my god. Bears get no fucking love in this market, man. God damn. Bears get no love, man.
JC, I'm only doing one contract. one contract, bro.
Oh, back to the basics,
I
huh?
had my 10. Yeah, yeah. I had my 10 points.
Hmm.
Like you said, Bears get no love. I thought they were going to try to shoot for it.
When the market don't, when you're a bear and you're trying to short that VWAP, you just know, damn, this market just don't love you. They don't love us around here. They said, take that energy over there to Bitcoin. We bulls over here. I looked at Bitcoin this morning. I was like, damn, I should have. Well, I don't have an account to take that trade. I was like, damn, look at that damn beautiful short down from the highs from last night. Beautiful short from the highs from last night. Beautiful short down. Love this market.
Yeah. Oh, what time was that?
It's
What, like around what time?
like 6, 7. The oh, that's it. So the top of the drop happened around like 6 o'clock. We got on the stream around like 8, but still, I mean, even if you join the party late, like around 8 o'clock, that was the next opportunity to get in short. Like bulls just have to work too hard on Bitcoin. You can literally take a short anywhere and be profitable. They just have to work too hard on Bitcoin.
10-point target would be 70. Switch back to 5 minutes. So let's look at, okay, so that's giving me, okay. We're just gonna keep trailing this. Oh no, God, no! No!
Oh, they got it off the trend channel too. All right.
Well,
9,
I mean, I got the profit. That's a good thing.
68.
But
All right, so let's see. Oh, that's actually not what I want.
well,
So
it
let's see if
was
they
a
reject it
strong
right here.
hourly candle,
You said what?
and that's what I said. The hourly, it was strong, and now that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, to me, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be a real drop.
Mm-hmm.
I just think they, like you said, they want to trap bears because this wouldn't make sense to keep dropping it right here. Looking at this, it kind of wouldn't make any sense. Matter of fact, let's see, what's a good spot to come in at to buy? I was trying to slowly move my target down, and then it came and hit the TP before I could move it. That was all I needed right there. I should have sold higher though, or at least at VWAP.
Yeah.
Okay, this a hey 40 something. Yeah, that's 40 something points right there. But we just hit that pivot. They could come back in here and buy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at the ES too. I'm looking at the ES True Trading NQ futures, and yeah, I definitely agree. I was actually looking for a long around that high of day on the ES around like 44, 43-ish. I think that was Sunday's high of day. Let me look at that. What day? Oh, December 22nd. December 22nd was Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. Yeah. So I'm looking for a long around that area. See if I get it.
People getting stopped out on that drop. All these orders are people stops.
Yeah. Nah, Grinch, we don't want you around here no more. You should have came in Christmas.
I was in a good short too. This wouldn't make any sense for me to short here.
He says 925.
25.
We'll see. That's gonna probably get ran through, honestly. I'll probably get ran.
Bro, I was in the short. I was in the short at 82, 982. And I tried to move my TP down, and I was too slow.
Gotta be
it
quicker
already
than
hit
that.
it, and I was just gonna, yeah, you gotta be quicker than that. And I was just gonna let my trail. Ah, that was all I needed right there. Is
Yeah,
it gonna double bottom?
probably not. Probably not. Ah, man.
Turn bad real quick. Yo, what?
Man, it's not fair.
All of these are people getting stopped out. That's all
Mm-hmm.
the numbers. And running stops. But at what point? Obviously, you're gonna have to come in and buy this at some point. Dang, I had the good short.
I mean, this could be a good area right here.
Step in.
Probably like, yeah, 820.
Demand.
Yeah, 820. 880.
5 minute chart.
880. And let's look to see what they do at like around 820-ish. Because I was actually looking at 820 the other day. And then we got this, actually, probably like 845, maybe 820, 845. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And we got that break
Dang
on
you,
ES.
Alfred. I was supposed to catch that. I was supposed to catch that. It should have been me.
Not him. It
Not
should have been
him.
me. Not him.
I was in it though. That's the thing. I was in it and I tried to move my thing down. Tried to move it down. But I'd already gotten taken out.
That's why you hesitate.
Huh?
Alfred, yes, why you hesitate.
No, I was already in the move. There was no hesitation. I was trying to hurry up and move my target down further because I felt like it was going to be some momentum behind that drop. And I was just too slow because I had my 10. Well, actually, I moved it lower than 10 points. But yeah. You gotta be quicker than that.
It should have
Well,
been me. Not him. Oh man. Yo, good call. Dude,
I'm in the long for the
I was
rebound.
just too slow for it.
I'm in the long for the rebound, baby. We in the long for the rebound. Push, don't drop. Push. All right, took me out. What?
Yeah, I definitely agree with you, trading NQ futures. That's actually what I'm trying to look for a long. I'm gonna see how the market reacts around that exact level on the ES. Actually, this actually might be a good, maybe a good short right here on the ES. Probably a test at like 75 or something like that. All right, so we know. All right, so I'm gonna test this out, guys. Like I said, I'm in the sim. I'm in the sim, so don't judge me or nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. Okay. Anyway, so I mean, that first test of that 50 EMA, that usually shorts. We'll see. Let me see if it rejects here. Yeah, that first test usually rejects off the 50. We'll see. If you see that red candle, then I'm definitely going to short this. But if it gets back up to 965-ish.
Yo,
What's up?
this is where execution comes into play, and my execution. So I did catch the long,
Mm-hmm.
but I should have gave it a little more time before I put my trail on, because
Okay.
it whipped or price dropped down and stopped me out, and I just missed out on, like, I don't know how many points that is.
Probably like 40 or 50 because it bounced at 70. It bounced at 70, and right now the high is at like 940.
I got in at, yeah, I was in at 890, 896. Yeah, like for another 40 points, I missed out. Wait, I think they might. 70 points. That was like 100-point drop overall, and then an instant recovery of like 60 points right here.
Yeah, I'm looking at the at ES, and this thing just massively recovered.
Yeah.
Well, I guess yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, because it really double bottom here at this low right here. Literally double bottom here at this low.
That was your 14 point, depending on where you got in at. Well, this candle alone, this 5-minute candle, that was your 14-point drop, followed by an instant recovery. Oh my gosh.
All right, so let's see, man.
Candle alone is up 16 points on ES. Wow.
All right, because I mean, I think that probably was like a fluke. Let's see. Let's see.
Okay, now I gotta look for my next entry. So all these people got stopped on that run up. That was still short, apparently.
All right, so let's see if we can get this to work. I mean, if not, Lambo or liquidation, baby. No. 23%. Don't fail me now.
Right there. We can get a continuation of this candle. 76 points. My goodness. We can get a continuation and break out.
Yeah.
But nah. Let's just see. Yeah, we're right back in the middle of this consolidation.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this one.
But it looks like it's gonna break out.
Yeah, it does, man. But it does.
Hourly. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah. What time is it? Did we already hit that? Okay. This is the this is the algo.
Oh shit.
Did
Was
we
that the
did more
algo?
before the algo than anything.
I didn't realize that was the algo. I should have known with all that volatility like that. I should have known that was the algo. Do your thing. Do your thing, NQ. Do your thing.
We'll just wait for now.
Dump this scam. Dump it. Dump this scam. Yeah, the way that the ES is looking, I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, because we came back into this range. We got to break a structure from this range. You think that the bears would want to kind of finish this, but they're having a hard time finishing right now. I mean, unless that was a double bottom. I mean, I guess technically they double bottom this low, I guess. Yeah, I guess. I mean, with this big, massive move, that could have been profit taking. Yeah, the way that this thing is looking, either they're trying to make the bears that's in this right now make them feel like they're wrong. Mm.
It's a break. Yeah. Now it either breaks out or they push it back down. Now I feel like the Bulls should have the advantage here. They
Yeah.
should, but an ES is looking like it's trying to break out.
Yeah. And can't catch a break. All right. Can't catch a break today. Because actually, yeah, I might have been wrong on this one. They might try to go golden zone to golden zone on this one.
Oh, you took it short.
I mean, yeah, I tried a short at the 23%. I'm trying to find
Sold off VWAP.
trying to find something to make trading the NQ just less stressful, because I don't want to trade the ES. ES just sucks. I don't want to trade it. I really want to make the NQ work.
Yeah.
But I gotta try to cancel out all the randomness as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get stopped out on this. So if they do a golden zone move to golden zone, this thing can probably go up to 2030, which coincidentally is where that trend channel is from. It's where that trend channel is if you keep pushing it higher.
All right, I'm long at VWAP, so let's dang. As soon as I say it.
I know. All right, fine. Fine.
Dang. All right.
Fine, I'm long. Fine.
And hurt my feelings like that.
As soon as you said it too.
As soon as I said it. As soon as I said it. Yeah, because they've been selling off at VWAP too. Breakout.
Well, I mean, shit. I mean, everybody's going long. Fine. Fine.
Fine. Fine. Yeah, I think they're gonna try to touch back at 22K, Alfred. At least minimum 22K again.
Dude, if
But
this thing drops after just stopping me out like that, dude. Oh my god.
yeah, that's crazy.
And this is what I'm talking about with the NQ, man. This is what I'm talking about. When you get these crazy days, man, you just have to these are the days where I guess that discipline has to come in and be like, yeah, just sit the day out. Well, I'm up there with you, bro. I'm in at 975 with you.
We're in this together.
With our hope combined.
Yeah, they literally took it right back up in this area just to play around.
Mm-hmm.
Our hope combined.
We're gonna get our targets hit. Our accounts is gonna get liquidated. All right.
I can't. We ain't doing it. Target liquidation.
Domain expansion. Account liquidation. That's what Powell did on Thursday or Wednesday of last week. All the accounts that got liquidated last week. Dude, if this thing drops, yo, no fucking. All right.
Dang.
That's funny. Oh.
I mean, yeah, they've been rejecting it earlier, so I thought they were about to get their breakout move though.
Dude, that's not even fair. Dude, that's not even fair. I was short.
He said, "Thanks for your sacrifice." At least to 22, or at least to 90. My goodness.
Mm.
Glad you got your target. Glad you got your target, JC. Now let's take this thing back up and hit mine.
Yeah. This is what I'm
That's
talking
nice.
about. This is exactly what I'm talking about right here. This bullshit right here. It made all the bit. This is what I'm talking about, bro. This is what I'm talking about. I was straight up short. And this thing, oh my God, dude. All right. Wow. Nice one, NQ. Nice.
Stop Run City today.
Hold on.
That just took a lot of people out too. Dang. Stop Run City.
Okay. I was about to say, I was like, okay, so I got the wrong EMA on this thing. I got an SMA, not the EMA. I was like, hold on, what am I 50 EMA on this thing wrong? Yeah, it's the SMA. We don't trade with that.
This was a good long and this was a good short.
Ain't nobody got time for that. All right, thank you. Way to make me look foolish on stream. All right, so EMA. Get that crimson going on. 3.6.
Missed opportunity. Stuck here at VWAP.
All right, so let's see if we'll get a rejection. I mean, I guess we should. Guess we could. We'll see. We'll see what happens here.
Holiday Santa rally's done, huh? The Grinch is stepping in.
Bears try to steal Christmas. Nah, Bears, y'all should have came in. It don't mean nothing now. It don't mean nothing now.
Yeah, you got to do it on the day of
Mm-hmm.
or the day before.
Yeah, that shit don't mean nothing now. We don't want to just take their we don't want to take their money. We want to take their happiness too. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna try it, man. Fine, fuck it. I'm gonna try it.
It's over.
I'm trying it.
You going short?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Because this thing ain't going long. This thing ain't going long. This thing ain't going long, bro.
It's still an uptrend on this big chart.
Don't say things like that. Don't say things like that.
I'm just talking to myself to get
Keep that
myself
bullishness. Keep that over there and say it quietly. Trying to take my hope away.
Oh, 925. That's wicked. And then it missed you by like a couple points. Come on, need to overshoot the RSI. That'll give me break even, and then then as soon as I close, they'll take it another 100 points. They'll take it up here to actually, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'll target. We'll see about this.
Yeah, I just want to go back to the environment where it's not, I can trust a short setup. I don't have to worry about this crap. I mean, this market really makes the shorts make them feel like they're wrong. Like it's a struggle to get the shorts, even in a, I mean, shit, we're technically downtrending. And the bulls have more, it feels like they have more advantage. I mean, everybody's buying this damn thing, but we're obviously in a downtrend now, obviously. And it don't feel like it though. So if I do that, I mean, well, technically, yeah, they found support at that trend channel. Found support. I mean, if you do it like that, you make it a little bit bigger like that. And we'll just keep it like that for right now. If you make it bigger like that,
Yeah, so it's looking good too. And they just had to go and ruin it.
miss all them good opportunities that I should probably just take it next time. But then, I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. It's not like
I think building up a position here would be good. So if I didn't take this, I would probably build a position around here. but this is
The crazy thing is that this thing stopped me out originally on my short. It's crazy. Crazy how this thing stopped me out. I didn't have a tight stop at all, or nothing either. My stop wasn't that tight. Man. I mean, it's looking like it's building up. I mean, obviously, technically, this is a range right here. Technically, so technically, it's a range right here. All right. I mean, we'll see what happens. Because I mean, we basically, I mean, we had price come, we had the bears come and sell the retest right here. And they was able to knock it down. They brought it back up and then they came back in and reloaded right here. And yet they're still having a freaking hard time shorting this damn thing.
yeah, bears. Go get more liquidity back at VWAP. So I can exit my position.
Oh, you still long for VWAP?
This thing, yeah, no, this thing looks like it's about to, like it wants to go down.
Yeah, at least it touched 820. I'm thinking 820-ish. 820, 840. Probably 820. But 767, I think trading NQ futures. I think he said something about that as well. Yeah, 776. 776. Yeah. Yeah. 776. Right in this area. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, probably that because of that higher day on Tuesday or on Monday. Monday's high of day. They got the 200 EMA right there as well. So, and then technically that would be a two-legged pullback. Technically, and you got your, you got your first leg, you got your pullback, and that could be your second leg right there into a potential area of support right here. So we can at least get a retest of that high, like right there. But the way this thing is finding support though, yeah, the ES looks super bearish. I wonder why it stopped. Okay, yeah, all right. Damn it. Yeah, okay, I see it. Like it literally stopped at that low right there on the ES at 105. That low day at 105 with the ES. I was thinking that it will at least come up here to short it, but yeah. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to find support. All right, NQ. Random area to find support though. That's so random. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, this is how you know bears get no love. This is how you know bears get no love on this instrument, dude. This thing randomly found support, like literally out of nowhere. Literally out of nowhere, this thing found support.
Well, look at it. Yeah, it bounced at these pivots that I got.
Did it?
That's why I was saying I would have built a long position up here, even though I mean it was looking bearish though, so that would have probably made me hesitate. But on here you see this is the pivot, that's the first support. I think we run this now. I think we run this supply now. I think it's ready. It wasn't ready on this one. We got dropped. They dropped it 6 points on the ES, which is a lot for ES. I think they're ready to run through this now. At least for ES, maybe get to 90. And then NQ, I could see us getting to 2020 or 2220. All right, we got liquidity. Should I take break even? No, don't sell it off VWAP. Keep going. 'Cause they usually do it on the second time. Second run.
All right.
Positive delta though on this. I'll hold it.
So yeah, the hourly the hourly chart is looking, I guess is bullish. And of course it bounced. Of course, that's exactly where it bounced. Right there at the 200 EMA on the hourly chart. I'm gonna have to really keep an eye on. I have to keep an eye on that. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that.
I think they're ready to run through this now. They usually don't do it on the first. I mean, they can do it on the first time, but it's usually the second time around.
Yeah.
Usually.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that one. It's usually the second time.
Nope.
Yeah.
All right, so stop is above break even now. I hope we don't get no little stupid wicks down to stop me out. It might wick down and stop me out, but I'll accept it if it does. Wait, how many trades was this? 1, 2. Yeah. Bet I would accept it, but I have a hard time accepting that. 1, 2.
Yeah, I think the market's trying to get to that 40, 50 area. I think that's probably where we're going. Probably 30. So 50 is like my ultimate. All right, if it doesn't stop here, then that means yeah, we're going higher. 30 is like my first one. 50 is my okay. If it goes higher than that, then I guess the bulls got it. I guess the bulls got it. I guess they got it. I guess.
Claus is coming.
Oh, since Santa's coming, oh, shit. Well, I'm gonna ruin Christmas for everybody. I'm gonna go play Miss Claus a visit since Santa wanna not be at home and shit. I know she lonely right now. Maybe I should go pay her a visit. Shit, so we can get some bearishness. $22.40. Yeah, I'm shorting this area. Well, I'm gonna look for a short in that area. Damn it. Did you hop back in long after that?
I got stopped out, dude, with my trail.
Got nothing to say. In disbelief.
It was so funny.
That's always how. That's the downside. That's when,
It's okay.
when I said when I said I got stopped out, she said you look like you were in disbelief. Like, no, this happens way more often than it should. And that's the problem with that auto trail on the NQ, because those wicks down or the wicks,
Mhm.
yeah, you'll get stopped out before it even makes its real move.
That's why you don't move your stop, and that's why you don't move your target. That's why.
Oh, my stop was automatically trailing, so that's the problem. That's one of the downsides behind that. Unless you're like up 100 points.
Yeah.
And that mess will still find a way to come back and stop
Yeah,
you
yeah,
out.
hell yeah, dude. Like, yeah. 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 Like, dude, it
Gotta
always
take
finds a
VWAP
way.
long again. Always.
16.
But yeah, under normal circumstances, I wouldn't have held that. I would have just stopped out and then looked for a better entry.
Well,
Probably around
man,
the
prices
930
right
area.
now. Well, fuck it, man. Since the Bulls got this,
What's your
I'm getting back long at VY, baby. I'm getting back long. Shit.
847. So we're almost at that. I was about to say I should have took the long again entry at VWAP.
Man, I don't expect it to. Man, I do expect it to drop around like 30 or something like that. I do expect that.
Yeah. Put it like
Okay. All right. All right.
wait, so you long VWAP? I should have did that. I should have been in there with you.
Yep. Yep.
Don't break it, because I mean, I feel like they want to break out and at least make it up here on ES, and then for NQ it'll be the same. Like at least this is like it's a trend
Oh shit, I'm tripping, dude.
indicator
Oh
kind
my
of thing.
god, I'm
Like
tripping. I don't got SPY up or nothing.
when it breaks out,
I got the 1 minute chart up or
what
anything.
is SPY sitting at? SPY is at 600. SPX. $10 points. 2005.
I mean, even if, man, you got this, the Bears failed to knock this down. They got stopped out. They got stopped out at the top of that range. And then it just shot up.
Double top it here, man. Can we extend up some more?
Yeah, I mean, at this point, it might as well just go to make a rotation back up into this range. I doubt. I mean, I'm pretty sure people are going to try to sell it at 05 again. But I'm looking at the SPY chart, which I should have been doing in the first place. But
This is we're approaching overbought. The CV, the delta is positive though
mm,
on my trade ovate. Trade ovate delta. His book map delta is still negative on this one, but this bigger one is positive. They should take it to 05. That'd be cool, and let's not drop it here. Yes, it's kind of looking similar again, but it's like a ES has its wall here. ES, you can give us 5 more points and get to 90. And NQ, you can give us 30 points. 26, 30, and get to 2020, 2220. This is on a curve down. This is
man. Well, there goes that first target. Did you get?
Let's
Did you?
go, baby. Let's go, baby. You don't even gotta ask. Let's go.
I was trying to say that she get back in.
Yes, I did, and I was just explaining like, all right, we'll do that. Okay. Well, we hit our requirement though. That's all that really matters. We hit our requirement.
Okay.
It wasn't pretty. It could have been pretty if I hadn't fumbled. I fumbled a few times, obviously.
Gain weight is today.
Yeah, a lot of people don't really trade after the holidays
Oh.
for good reason.
Oh, is Muhammad on?
Yeah, it's for like taxes and stuff.
I haven't seen him. Let's see. Like I said, for something like that, we got what we were looking for. See how many?
Was it 6?
6. Took a 6. Um, where's the 6th one at?
2 times. How much did you make?
Damn. Damn.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. I was looking at. That's why I took. That was a risky long. I wanted to see the breakout, but there's a potential double top. And ES respected it. ES couldn't break out fully. NQ, we got that extended push to get me my 10 points. But that was risky. It was risky long because I literally bought the top. I think I bought at 9.95 and I got out at 04, but that's because it pulled back on me. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I got my 50 points. It was ugly. It could have been a lot more. But let's see. Let me look at this now. First long I took at 837, and that was 11 points. Call it 11 points. Took price short, and if I would have held my short like I was supposed to, shorted at 982. Let's measure that out. 982. That was right here. Dang, I could have caught like, man, I could have caught 100 points. Dang. Wow. Over 100 points on that drop. But I wasn't quick enough to move my TP out of the way. And then basically could have caught another 100 points on the long back up, right back to VWAP. So yeah. 100, 200. It's like 240. And then if we caught that from there. Yeah, that's like 300 points going both different. Ain't that crazy?
You said what?
Like that's like a 300 point. Like if you caught the short, yeah, I could have made like over 300 points.
Mm-hmm.
Had that over 100 point short, followed by another 100 points back up. That's 200 right there. And then you sell VWAP, that was another like 40. And then 70 points back up to that high. Yeah, it was over 300 points. Wow.
Shit, that's why trading the Nasdaq will always be the superior choice. But you don't want to be on the wrong side of that though, because then you'll be crying.
If you were on the right, yeah, if you were on the right side of every one of these moves, that was over 300 points, and the market's only down 47, and that's crazy. And that's what I'm saying. I'm only trying to take 50 out of that. That's 300 points both directions.
Mm-hmm.
I only want 50 out of that. That's all I'm asking for. Got my 50, and now I'm done.
Say it ain't
Put it
so.
in perspective like that. It's really crazy, actually.
Dude, it is, man. And when I originally was tackling the ES, when I was like, damn, you know, all I need is 6 points, you know, to do what I need to do. Man, for whatever reason, those 6 points, when I focused on getting just 6 points, it was like the hardest thing to do, or the most challenging thing to do when I just focused on getting 6 points.
On the ES?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, man, because, you know, I'm trying to find the top, and, well, not trying to find the top, but trying to find a good location to get in at. Trying to get the 6 points, and then would just struggle to get the 6 points. It's like, damn, dude. Man, and then at the end of the day, the market moved about 30 or 40, 50 points, and for whatever reason, it was a challenge just to find 6. And I'm like, dude, what the, like, maybe it's just like, I don't know, maybe because I was trying to only focus on getting 6 points, it just made it more challenging than what it was, because I was like, well, all you need is 6 points. You don't have to wait for a real long. You can get in here and hope to get your 6 points.
Yeah.
Man.
So I guess, yeah, I guess I'll have to get back. I don't know why I was trying to change up what I've been doing.
Well, I mean,
hold for the longer,
because it's like, I mean, I get it. I think we all been there. It's once you get tired, well, not necessarily tired, but once you feel solid, you just want to elevate your game and see if you can become better. I mean, I know we're in a game. This is it's supposed to be a business, but I mean, the mind just makes everything. It turns it into a game. Being stagnant is literally being dead. So unfortunately, that's just a mental thing that we all go through. And some people, like I said, that type B personality is perfect for the market. But type A is very challenging, because you just always want to get better and elevate your game. and that old stuff ain't good enough no more.
Yeah, I was trying to switch up to catching tops and bottoms, and that without any pretty algo or anything telling me when to get in and get out, just by purely myself. So I'm battling really myself and the emotions
Mm-hmm.
and the psychology.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's just proven sticking. It was ugly. I'm not gonna lie, this was ugly. But 6 trades, roughly around 10 points each, some a little more, some a little less.
Mm-hmm.
And we were able to knock out 50 points or just over 50 points.
Mm. Yeah, Alfred, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. Like I said, my ES, I got an ES short, I think, somewhere in here. Yeah, I think it's right here. The way this thing is looking, I might need to take it off the way it's looking, but we'll see. I mean, nah, I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it because that's the one thing that I keep doing on the ES is just projecting the Nasdaq onto it, and that's not how the ES trades. She's very simple. She's very simple. Mm, whatever, dude. I think I'm good in this long. I mean, yeah, this is good. Yeah, I think. I guess I'll leave a runner right there, but I think I'm good in this. Mm. Oh crap, man! I gotta start doing that, man. Gotta start making this into a routine. That's decent volume. It's decent. Mm. Yeah, because that's that's it right there. Hmm. Yeah, man. 79.50. Damn, this thing tapped my break even about a couple of times just to make sure I didn't move my stop up. Okay. Well, that re-entry long, it paid off. It definitely paid off.
Oh, you still holding it? You
Yeah.
survived the drop?
No, I got in long and I re-entered long. Somehow I'm down $15,000. How am I down $15,000?
What? 15,000?
Yeah, I'm down 16,000 now. What the fuck?
What?
I don't know what. I don't know. Maybe Maybe I'm selling that silver play. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm selling that silver
Oh,
play.
you traded silver?
Remember when we was talking about it? I just took like a just to see how much it would. Ah, shit. Yeah, I'm selling this silver play. I think I'm in something.
Oh,
I'm in something right now. So how am I down $15,000? I'm supposed to be up right now. uh,
so what? Yeah, what position did you take in that silver trade?
dude, I don't know. Because right now I should only be in oh, yeah, I'm in silver right now. Ooh, I'm in silver somehow.
Sim, right?
Yeah. This is all in the sim. Yeah, it's all in the sim.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, somehow, some way I'm in silver. I don't know how because it's not showing up. Oh shit, yeah, I am. Oh, well, huh.
Oh, you shorted? Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's-
I'm 15,000. When did you take that short?
Before Christmas. I'll try to short Christmas.
Oh, shoot.
Oh yeah. Well, if you lose 0.100 and I really don't even know how, like, what does that even mean? I don't know. Is that in ticks or is that in points? Let me look at that.
That's how much you're down. 0.180.
Dude, I'm down 13K, dude, on silver. So, yeah.
Silver ain't no thing. Is that the micros or
No, this is the
no, that
minis.
was the regular minis, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
$13,000. Silver is no joke. It is no joke.
Mm.
Yeah.
Like, where the hell am I down 16? Though I looked at my sim, I was like, okay, let me see if I'm working my way back up on this. And apparently no. Oh, that's funny. Nah, I'm trading in the sim. I mean, the only eval trades I'm taking for the rest of the year are ES trades. The Nasdaq, I'm just gonna have to just rock out in the sim because like I said, I mean, we're good at trading Nasdaq. It's just those days where days like today where the market is just all over the damn place. It's these types of days that just takes out weeks, days of work. I mean, mind you, I am trading 15 lots, but at the same time, that shouldn't even be like an issue or nothing.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be an issue yet. So I just gotta find something with the Nasdaq, man. I just gotta find like a repeatable system because, like I said, the only reason why I'm just focusing more on the ES is because of these consistency rules, and it's just hard to be quote unquote consistent with the Nasdaq because it literally means that when the market is pumping like it did on Tuesday, if you have like a 50-point target like Smith is now, do you close it at 50 and walk away?
Yes.
Okay, it's easy to
Yes.
say, but I want to see you do it. I want to see you do it. And when you do it, you need to write a book. You need to write an ebook and explain how you did that shit.
Well, I had a look, and it's funny. Brianna asked me like, We woke up this morning. He's like, "Why are your eyes so red? What time did you go to bed?" I was like, "Look, I stayed up and I had to have this conversation with myself. Like, I literally had to talk to myself and be like, yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? You sit here, you're trying to do something that was never your style to begin with. Why? Why are you doing this?" So I literally, you say write a book. I pretty much gave myself a whole audio book on why am I effing up and doing this foolishness. And I'm like, okay, go back. And I had to think back. How did I have success? I'm like, I wasn't catching big moves. I'm like, I don't know why I transitioned. Well, you mentioned it, but I'm like, what in my brain made me transition to trying to catch these big moves when and trying to do that every day is not I'm trying to say it's not a good strategy, number one, and it's not realistic. So I'm like, okay, well, to get to that, then what do you go back to the roots? What do you do? Okay, you need 50 points for $1,000 on the minis. Okay. That's 5 trades of 10 points. I'm like, you can catch 10 points. If I can't get 10 points at a Nasdaq, then something's wrong. And if I can't do it 5 times, it don't even got to be all at once. You can break it up at least 5 times. And like, if I can't do that, something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. But yeah, like that's not literally had to have a conversation with myself. As I was like, all right, here's what we're going. In the morning, I'll try it out and lock it in. Because then when you lock in those green days, it helps your psychology. It helps kind of the emotions and all. So yeah, that's kind of what I went through last night. No, I wasn't watching the markets, or nothing. I was literally just sitting there talking to myself. I'm walking over. The only reason why my charts are still up because I'm going over stuff with Brianna, but
no, Brianna's going over this stuff with you. She got the shout out from ICT. She got the ICT shout
she's
out.
going over with me. He's like, yeah, what are you doing? She did though. That's funny. Like, oh wow, must be using my concepts. ICT.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
No, the man's a fraud. That man was straight up fraud. But yeah, he hopped in he was in the Top Step chat.
Jack wants you to post the talk that you had with yourself.
I should have recorded it.
Yeah, that BCT.
I should have recorded it.
What?
BCT concepts.
Smith just says that he's going over with Brianna herself. The great blasphemy. Blasphemy. She's going over it with you.
The 6-figure trader, the one and only. Yeah. She's teaching me some lessons right now.
So instead of gambling, how about we get into some supply and demand zones? How about that?
Right. Instead of just randomly getting in, how about supply and demand? Areas of interest.
Let's identify those first before we start taking them trades.
I'm not ashamed to admit it.
It says you can't even say it. You can't even tell her. I may or may not have a problem with hold on, let's see if we can find that so the stream know what we talking about, man. That shit is funny as fuck, man. Man, let's see if we can
Yeah,
find
when
it.
did I send it to you off of IG or was it YouTube?
Do you remember the show that shit was on? What was it? What was that show? Like Martell Williams or something like that?
Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Because he couldn't even look his wife in the eye.
Nope.
That was crazy. Hold on.
That's what makes it so funny.
I found it.
That's what makes it so hilarious because he couldn't even do it. Oh, I think yeah, this is it right here, dude. I think it's it. Let me see. I think I found it. Oh yeah, this is it right here. Oh man, this is so hilarious. This is so hilarious.
I ain't paying for nobody.
This man's wife wants him to stop.
You know what's losing me money? Being married.
I think that Shantia should be paying. Family members are here telling you that you have a.
Okay, yes.
It was because of
That's it.
But will it be enough to save his marriage?
Yes, he has a problem because he doesn't realize now he's not winning good. I'm on my feet. Y'all were doing good. Next week. Oh, the Lakers play next week. As soon as
Not only are you seeing
Man.
their relationship.
She ain't catch no little Z's, man. That's you were talking capital Z.
Man, I'm gonna find it.
Y'all ain't intelligent. That's what y'all think.
Play God.
That's the
Check it out.
yeah, that's the episode which
I don't lose.
break it down. What's his
So why did our water get cut off if you don't lose?
I didn't lose in the parlay.
why they splitting apart?
You said that you think she fell in love with your lifestyle. What did you mean by
She
that?
fell in love with my lifestyle because she saw me getting it. And she wanted a part of the bank. Everybody wanted a part of the bank.
It don't sound like a very providing bank if the water's getting cut.
Show.
I may
Oh, there it is.
have a little bit of a problem with gambling.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Hey, you gonna have that by yourself.
Man,
Stop. Ian just took up right now and saying, I have a gambling problem.
Hold on.
he said,
Okay, it's all right. It's all right. Take your time.
What he said, he's
all
like,
right.
I'm get money or something.
may-
I can't remember. Yeah, that's it.
Well, I may not,
He took a
but
deep
it looks
breath,
like I do
looked down.
have a
I
little
may-
bit of a problem.
Hey, what's the timestamp on
gambling.
that?
he couldn't even say it. It looks like I do. Oh man, the
I know
timestamp is
you're
like
tired
a
of being broke, and
21.
That's why gambling is so. It seems so.
Dude, it is so true,
enticing
dude.
to
I
people
lose so
because it's
much money,
a
dude. It's
quick fix. But
ridiculous.
there's an ugly
It's
side
so
of that,
fucking
which is what
ridiculous.
you're living right now,
If
where
I just
you're
stopped
losing
trading
the
crowd
money.
firms, I would have
You are
so
not
much more
winning in
money.
life. Let that sink in.
Oh man, that's so
Hold
funny.
It's okay. It's all right.
So the
It's all right.
timestamp
Take
is
your
at
time.
2022.
It's all right.
I may, or I may not, but it looks like I do have a little bit of a problem
We're
with
gambling.
gambling.
1 second.
I may or may not have a little problem with gambling. Now, obviously, the situation is not funny, but shit, if you're a gambler, you already know because we're laughing literally at ourselves because that's exactly the same shit we be telling ourselves when we start gambling. Yo, gambling is just, I don't know, it's just fun. I don't know why. I mean, I really don't know why. Gambling is as addictive as it is, even though we're supposed to have a quote unquote fear of loss mechanism inside of us that prevents this type of stuff from happening. But apparently, when it comes to gambling, that fear of loss goes away because deep down, when you start gambling, you wish that you lose so you can keep gambling. It's like, it's crazy. If you win, you don't want, like, you'll keep gambling until you lose. And so it's like, I don't know, gambling is just kind of crazy, dude. The way that it's set up, it literally hijacks everything about you. It literally overrides systems that's in place to protect you from loss. And then secretly, it makes you want to lose so you can keep gambling. So it's like, yeah, gambling is one hell of a drug. It definitely is. That's why I have a cap. Like, I don't go over my cap. I don't go over it. If I spend my cap, that's what it's for. But as long as I'm not touching my real life money that that messes with my lifestyle and the lifestyle that I have provided for the people that I care about, then it's okay. But if I start touching that money, then I'm gonna stop. I'm definitely gonna stop, because then I know that I have a super problem. A super problem. Yeah. Just like if I ever destroy my my trade station because I got angry and I was just stop trading, if I start touching my real life money, I'm gonna stop trading then too. So yeah. Those are my rules that if it happens, I'm just not gonna do it again. But yeah. There it is. Does look good. Trading is work and some money. You know, sometimes I try to, and like I try. I really do try to, like, okay, this is a business, but man, when you get to the Nasdaq, it's like when you try to take the Nasdaq serious, it's like you trying to take me serious, huh? Well, then she starts playing with you. Like that long that I had on last night, you know, she literally missed me by like a tick and drop, right? She literally missed me by like a tick and then drop. That's the type of stuff that Nasdaq does. And then it gets to the point to where you go tilt, and then he's like, and that's really what the Nasdaq really wants you to do. She does these little things that add up. And then it gets to the point where it's like, you know, I'm going tilt. Fuck it. I'm going tilt. You put that full port on, and then you just start gambling at that point. Yeah, man. We'll see. Because I don't think we go past the golden zone, but I guess I'll just leave like a good bit of this out. I don't think we go past the golden zone, though. I don't think we do. Ooh, almost fucked up. So I probably have all this coming off, like a good bit of it coming off at the golden zone. And this is what I'm trying to, this is what I'm trying to really implement. I just really start to implement these zones, because if we can kind of take away if we can kind of take, because I mean, this entire year, if you traded these golden zones, these 23% zones, I mean, you kind of made money. And they've been accurate this entire year. Like even like a good quick scout from the 23% to the golden zone has always been almost like a sure thing. And then even if you went short here and re-entered long right here at the 23%, yeah, I mean, look how many times this thing touched and traded in between the golden zone and the 23%. So, I mean, if we can just kind of build a reliable strategy around these zones, just a reliable strategy around these zones, because this right here is damn near almost 100 points between this and this, almost 100 points right here. Because I really don't want to trade the EFs. I really don't. Shit's boring. Double top at the golden zone and went fib to fib on the golden. So shit, if you got in long right or short right here, and then you re-entered short here at the 23%, like right here. Yeah, we're going to build a strategy around this thing, man. Oh shit, let me actually look at that. No, it's because, yeah, we got a drop at, yeah, it barely missed the 23% here at 115. It barely missed it. Hmm. and then it failed to break out above that. So it failed to break out above, or not above, but it failed to break out on that 21. And then we got that failure right there. And then we got that drop. And then this is where the bears failed to push it off the 21 EMA. And then it got above. And they finished the rotation down right there. And this shit bounced literally at this golden zone right here this morning. Literally from the 23% all the way to the golden zone. Hmm. No, that can't be the case because I got that. That can't be the case. Hmm. Yeah, that can't be the case. I'm definitely going to just leave it there. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go back to my 27-point strategy, I think. That's funny. So I know that you're done for the day, Smith, but I mean, I guess if you're still there. So what are you thinking? Now that you're unbiased, where you think that we can go? Or where this thing could go?
Did it hit? No, it still didn't even hit 20, did it? I don't know if it hit that on the micros.
Yeah, it hit
I was looking originally
19.
for 2220. Yeah, I was looking for 2220. But looking at it now, I think it can slow grind and trend back up. I was gonna say aim for well, it's funny because we just rejected off this 200 moving average on my 5-minute chart. That thing is usually pretty good at halting price or stopping price, at least temporarily. But I will say that it looks like it's trying to trend up. So if it's going to slow grind up or whatever, and what time is it? It's 10:20. Taking all of that into consideration, I would aim, if you're going to long, I would aim back up here to these pre-market. Now, being conservative, I would say somewhere between 60 and 75 as a target. That's just being conservative.
16 to 75
on the long side. Yeah, 2260 to like 2275. 75, 80-ish. That's on my conservative side. If you're gonna be probably aggressive, you think it's gonna keep grinding up. Maybe you see 22, maybe it breaks out of all of that and you get to see 22, 100 again. I don't know. But yeah, this 200 moving average is usually really good at halting price,
Yeah, it
at
is.
least in the short term before it breaks out. But if this thing dumps, which looking at the hourly, I don't think I don't think this thing dumps like that again. I think it's probably going to be a slow grind up higher.
Right back to the break even.
So this,
Well, I'm about to find out if I made a mistake on the ES. I'm about to find out. Because right now, I moved it from 93.50. This is where I got in. Well, this is where originally where my short was at. Huh. And then I moved it up to 95.50 because I figured that they was going to probably get up here.
but now we're approaching oversold territory.
Oh, no. You said what?
What?
Look at the, like, dude, if you look at that.
Look.
Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead.
This thing missed me by a tick.
Stream.
Oh, this thing missed me by a tick.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Your sell limit. Oh, that's dirty.
This thing missed me by a tick.
Oh, that's dirty. Why does it always happen like that? That must have been happening to me lately too.
Huh. Yeah, this thing literally missed me by a tick. Literally missed me by a tick. Damn, dude. Damn. Damn, it's like that. I mean, Nasdaq and ES. So the Nasdaq missed my entry or missed my target by a couple of ticks before she dropped. Oh no, did she stop me out? I think she just stopped me out. Oh no, I don't think so. Yo, well, okay, so she missed my target. Well, okay, never mind. I can't cry about that. Well. Damn, ES. It's like that. Damn, that's like that, dude. Damn, it's like that. Damn. Well, my only thing now is, I mean, if they do find I mean, shit, if it, dude, what the fuck, bro? Damn, ES is like that. All right, so if I was in at 94 in a tick, Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that looks like, I mean, yeah, that 200 EMA is definitely, yeah. Yeah.
Or higher. Oh, you held through that?
Of course.
Because I
Of
saw,
course.
of course. I didn't know you held through that. I was looking. Um, I saw you up like $1,200 at one point,
Yeah.
but now we're bouncing right back up. So what did it bounce? You said it bounced off your 200.
Yeah. Off us, 973. Yeah, that 200 EMA is, yeah, it's definitely, yeah. If you can catch that thing when it's sloping up. Yeah, because if you catch it sloping up, it'll bounce. It seems like when it starts to flatten out, that's when it's yeah. Yeah, when
That's
it's,
1,000 tick chart, right?
no, for the
Okay.
Nasdaq it's 1800.
1,800.
Yeah, for the Nasdaq I use
Right.
1800 tick charts. For the micro, since it has more volume. Since it has more volume, the Nasdaq usually has the most volume out of all the instruments. Yeah, you can see it right here. This is why I use the 1800 tick chart for the Nasdaq. We're damn near got 650,000 on the micro NQ, 202 and my bad, 220,000 on the regular NQ, 400 on the ES, and only 333 on the MES. So the MNQ
So I
always had
used
volume.
for ticks, I used 2,000 on the regular NQ.
I would actually,
1,000.
on the regular one, I think the 1,000 tick chart is probably a better, since it doesn't have that much volume. It doesn't really trade with a lot of volume. It only trades 220 contracts versus the MNQ with 600. As you got to remember, tick charts are volume and transactions. So if it doesn't have a lot of volume, then having a higher tick chart on those types of instruments it doesn't really make sense to do.
Well, I switch between. I use the 5 minutes still, 5:15, and then I use that 2,000 to kind of compare between the two to make sure I'm on the right side of a move.
Yeah, let me give y'all a good example
It'll
of
look
it
a
too.
little,
Oh, go ahead.
yeah, it'll look a little bit different on, between 2K tick and the 5 minute.
Yeah, so this is the regular NQ, and this is the micros, and you can see that the candles are different the EMAs are different. You can see that this 200 EMA is at 941 and this one is at 974. The 21 EMA is different. The 50. So all of it is different because obviously this has more volume. So an 1800 tick chart is better with the M&Q versus the regular one.
Here it looks like it's going to be supporting this move back up. Highlight these areas like
No, Alfred. All my Nasdaq trades are going to be sim trades until, I mean, if I get so if I get that 150K starter account, then I'll trade the Nasdaq in that. But what I'm going to start, or what I started doing and what I want to do in the future is just get these ES trades on these smaller accounts and trade the Nasdaq to pass the time and try to find like a winning strategy with the Nasdaq to where it just takes away all the fear. It takes away uncertainty. You can use the zones and the EMAs as confirmation for stuff. So we can just start making the Nasdaq easier to trade. Because it gets scary. I mean, on those days where the market just, it doesn't want to catch a bid or it doesn't want to catch an ask. I mean, it gets scary on those days, especially when you're in a funded account and you find yourself on the wrong side of it, because shit, you'll go tilt. But if you can find like a strategy that says, you know what, well, we're at the 23% right now. The EMAs are sloping up to the upside. I guess. Yeah, this is not a good example. You can see that it missed a 23%. And honestly, if I was in front of my computer, I probably would have took this short right here just because of how they failed off of this 21 EMA at the highs. Because of that failure, I would have shorted that for sure. Yeah, that golden zone entry was beautiful. I mean, if you got in at the top of this golden zone right here, 18, as long as it didn't touch 60. Yeah, as long as it didn't touch 60, which it got nowhere close, I still would have been in this trade and I would have caught this move all the way up here to the 23%. And this would have ended my day right here. This would have been the day. This would have been a move right here. And like I said,
let me look at something.
Oh, go ahead.
My bad. I'm just thinking.
Okay.
Now go ahead. I'll mute myself. I'm just thinking out loud.
I mean, well, anyway. And it does seem like the market just loves to ping pong between the golden zones and the 23%. So I mean, if we can build a strategy around that, then make this thing consistent. You can take away the fear, trading Nasdaq, the uncertainty. Ugh. Honestly, as I look at this ES trade, like if they don't reject it at 96, 97, yeah, I'm probably have to close this one out. Because the ES is looking like it's not trending on the ES, but it doesn't look like it's trying to go short anytime soon. Not necessarily trending or anything. I mean, technically it is trending, but it's not a strong trend. It's not strong. Honestly, that would break my heart. That would break my heart if that were to happen. That would break my heart. Because I moved my entry up and it just, I mean, I would have got tapped in right here. Yeah. Nasdaq is definitely. All right, so now I'm in that trade now. I'm definitely in that trade now. Okay, so I just got tapped in. Damn, my stop is literally at that high of day. Literally at the high of day. For a potential retest of this range. Mm. Mm. All right, we'll see if this is a winning trade or not. And with the ES, you just have to sit there and wait for it. And wait. The Nasdaq, I already made my money, plus some. But for whatever reason, she does not want to hit that target. Mm. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day, every day, every day. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Mm. 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 All right. So let's see. Hmm. All right. Hmm. Yeah, I think that's a good spot for my stop. I mean, honestly, If it gets to the high of day, then I mean, I guess we could see a drop at the high of day, but all right. Well, I'm gonna leave it here. Well, at least I got my. See, this is what I'm talking about. I got my Nasdaq targets hit, but I'm gonna have to probably wait on the ES. But I'm out of time, so yeah, I'm out of time. Well, let's see if I'm gonna get stopped out of this damn thing.
All right, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We made our points. We're done.
All right, bro. Yeah, I'm about to get off right now too.
I'm not coming back and looking at the charts at all.
I think that's probably a good
But
thing.
I am gonna look at these options, though. I am gonna look at SPY. Switch from one drug to the
Another.
next.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll come back later on tonight. And with that said, everybody, peace out.